Recording in progress.
Hello everyone. Today we will see how to launch Jenkins server. Jenkins server machine. How to launch Jenkins server. Okay. See, normally now for me, see, I will go to the file explorer. Go to C drive. Uh, Go to person app data percentage. Okay. Here I will go to GAT. My users GAT. Okay. Then here, see, I have did Jenkins setup file. Okay. So here Jenkins setup file. No, I am not going with the MSI file. I am going with the WAR file. Now we will see how to launch the Jenkins server machine. So here you need to provide java hyphen jar Jenkins dot org. So it says it is running from this path. So you need to get here. Jenkins is finally up and running. So one message you will get it. Wait till the time. So I already installed Jenkins. I have already installed the Jenkins in my machine. See now, so you can see Jenkins is fully up and running. Then you can go to HTTP. See localhost 8080. See it launched, right? Jenkins launched. I already signed in, so I can log out and I can do. If you are not signed in for a longer time, right? Then it will ask for a login. See, okay. This is how you are going to launch the Jenkins machine. I hope this is a very helpful video, guys. Thank you.